The Holiday Twin Rinks in Cheektowaga remains closed tonight after 100 people were sent to various urgent cares and hospitals across western New York on Wednesday. Good evening, everyone. I'm Claudine Ewing. Two on Your Side obtained video of people discussing the carbon monoxide detectors last Saturday. Keep in mind, that was 4 days before the incident. Two on Your Side's Nate Benson joins us now with the very latest. Nate?
Yeah, hey there, Claudine. We first showed you that video last night. Now we're getting reaction from the owner of the ice rinks. In the video, someone on the ice can be heard saying the carbon dioxide detectors are going off. Then someone else saying, quote, "Yeah, we know, we can't fix it." The owner of the rinks telling Two on Your Side tonight that what we saw in the video happened around 11:30 last Saturday as the building was being closed, and that the building supervisor was told about the issue on Sunday morning. I spoke to an Amherst Red Knights hockey coach this morning about what happened. He and his son were in the Lockport Memorial Hospital for 5 hours Wednesday night.
The way I look at it, Nate, is that accidents happen. I get it. But if this was brought to their attention last week and nothing was done, and obviously at this point it seems as though that's indeed the case, there's going to be some tough questions that they have to follow at the rink.
Now, the owner of Holiday Twin Rinks tonight says that they will cover all medical expenses incurred and that they take the health and safety of all customers very seriously. A source with direct knowledge tells me tonight that the video of the incident last Saturday has been given to Cheektowaga police detectives and that could change the way the department is handling the situation. On Your Side, Nate Benson, Channel 2.